This is the site of SMU3. There was a gentle incline at this site of 2 to 5% and a northwest aspect. The vegetation around the site was native, mostly consisting of trees, some identified as mallee and paperbark. The closest vegetation was approximately 10 metres from the soil pit. Majority of the vegetation, however, was 15 to 20 metres from the soil pit. The land use that could be observed for the site was grazing. There were 3 horizons that could be identified at this soil pit. A1 from 0 to 23 centimetres, A2 23 to 36 centimetres, B2 74 to 94 centimetres, and a layer from 36 to 74 centimetres where pan formations were present. This layer was not considered a soil horizon, but its own independent layer.
The first horizon we identified was an A1 horizon, which went to a depth of 23 centimetres and had a high concentration of organic matter, especially in the top 10 centimetres of soil, with lots of dead grass and small roots, but this couldn't be classed as its own O horizon due to incorporation of mineral material. Overall, it had a dark colour with a clayey sand texture and a single grain structure with no gravel. It had a pH of 5.26, which is slightly acidic, and an EC of 258.4 microsiemens, which was the highest for the soil profile.
The next soil horizon in our profile is an A2 horizon. An A2 horizon is formed through the leaching of minerals, nutrients, and organic matter by water. This process is called alluviation. A2 horizons are usually characterized by their paler color. Our A2 horizon had a depth of 23 to 36 centimeters and a sandy texture. It had a pH of 5.26. Its EC was 258 microsiemens per centimeter.
This is the pan layer which occurred twice in our profile. Firstly between the A2 and B2 horizons, and then below the B2 horizon. We do not know how deep the second layer goes, as we didn't dig any deeper to investigate further. This layer is formed through the aeration of iron-rich soils near the top of the groundwater table, which occur due to iron dissolving closer to the surface and then percolating down to the top of the table. The aeration occurs as oxygen is cycled from the atmosphere down through the pores in the soil, oxidizing the iron. This leads to the formation of an aggregate of minerals to form this pan layer. The presence of 2 separate layers indicates there have been 2 separate historical heights of the water table at this site. The dark red colour of this layer can directly be attributed to the high levels of iron oxide present, with the lighter yellow sections being the other mineral components of the soil that have aggregated in this layer. Upon closer inspection, it is quite a brittle layer.
The B2 horizon is at a depth of 74 to 94 centimeters. It has a sandy texture with a pH of 7.28 and an EC of 57.55 microsiemens per centimeter. The soil color is recorded as 7.5 TR 5/8, indicating a light uniform tone. The structure is weak, which may affect water infiltration and root penetration. Additionally, coarse fragments make up about 55% of this horizon. These fragments are raw pan fragments of various sizes, ranging from approximately 1 to 10 centimeters. There are also iron-type segregation present, accounting for 20 to 50% of the material.